Guys, you said war cry. Okay. I say this. I want this. Instead of taunt, I want him to place down a banner, and that banner buffs everyone in the radius. I think that's cooler. So that's why I downloaded that tutorial just now. Oranges, medieval knights are perfect combos. Exactly, bro. You're speaking my tongue. Let's see here. Assets. We're going to animate a flag pull. I want something like this. Essentially something like that. And I'm gonna make the pull blue, I think. So something like that. And then I want to have, I don't know, let's say maybe a white one. Maybe not a white one, but let's do a white one for now. That will be I want to have something like this. Essentially. You know? I just noticed that this is not in the middle. Right, so something like that. Something like that, I don't know. Let's see here. Pixel art. Let's go back to this. It needs to be pixel art so it's easier to see that. Something like a flagpole like this. Flag bearer. Yeah, stuff like that, essentially. So, didn't do a good job here.
Gotcha, bitch!
So, it would probably look something like that or so. Wait a minute. Yeah, something like that, you see? That's kind of annoying. Okay. But yeah, something like that. And I mean, if we make... Should that be like 3 pixels thick? Is that too thick? What do you guys think? Too thick for 3 pixels? Making it straight is easier? I think that's too thick. So essentially for pixel art, I want to have a 2 pixel thick Stamm in English. And then we have like every 2 pixels is going to be a white dot. And so then this will be the outline, and then that is what it looks like. There we go. Boom. And now I just need to animate this flag here. Maybe even animate a wind in a way. That's all I need to do. Cakez 011 from Snowman. Okay, guys, so this is what I want. Nice. And I can Damn, that looks good. But it's kind of sideways. Is that a problem? Is the perspective a problem here? Nah, I think it's not. I wonder how many frames this is animated. Alright, we're gonna draw this. How am I gonna do this? We're gonna keep both open. We're just making this smaller here. Thank you, man. Really good stuff, actually. Okay, so what do we need to do? We have those 4 connections. And maybe we can do even this.
Because Cakez is Cakez, I will thank you, Snowman, for the good suggestion. You are a helpful member of this community. Shame on you, Cakez.
Shut the fuck up, man. Fuck you. No one asked you. Okay. Man, this is gonna be a difficult one here. So this is that. Then I guess we kind of mirror this, right? We go here. Yeah, it does look like something. Na? Okay, so that's the first image
Am I so out
that we
of
start
touch?
on.
No.
Mr. Elmido is gifting 1 sub to the community.
I think it breaks immersion. Mr. Amida, like, thank you very much for gifting a sub to
Am I
who
so
did
out
you?
of touch? No.
Mr. Elmido is gifting 1 sub to the community.
Cakes, what about making the horizontal wooden part a bit angled? Yeah, I will. I will. That will be the next part. But first we animate the flag. I feel like this is the right thing to do here. Since this is completely white, I can't really tell what's going on. Let's make that a better color. Okay, let's see. What would the color be? I mean, we might as well do red, right? Then we can also do shading. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Why the fuck is it blue? The wooden pole, if you really want here, there we go. Doesn't really matter. Okay, now, next image. Actually, I think what I need to do is make a new thing. Needs to be sharper in the corners. Yeah, I don't know how to do that. But for now, we keep it like this. We're making a new image. Okay, so here's the preview. Now we have a new layer, and let's go back. Okay, wow. So essentially it just moves down. Okay, so we take this and this stuff just moves down, essentially. I wonder how that is done. We just move this down by 2 pixels. What does that mean then? This just got longer. This got longer here, so what does that mean? The flag doesn't get longer, but it ripples? Yeah, I know. I don't know how I would do that. Trying to achieve that right now. It just looks like it got longer. How do I do that? You got this, Cakez? Okay, wait. Let's try that again. Displacement map. Pro Animator. That happens sometimes. So essentially what that means is... Write a cloth physics simulation, yeah. So then... this starts earlier, I think. Feels like it got bigger here. I thought you used Unity? No, I don't. How does that work? This might help. Pixel art animation tutorial. Waving flag. Can that help with our flagpole is the question. So what you're saying is I should first animate the line before I do the entire flag. So instead of this, I just take a red line and I draw something like nah, shit. Oh god. First draw something like that. Then I animate this line. So instead of this... How would I even do this? This is like that now. Then it starts earlier, I guess? I have a feeling that that's not it. I didn't think it would be that difficult, bro. Holy. Can anyone explain to me or send me somewhere that properly explains what Pixel Perfect does in Sprite? It tries to not fuck up pixels, essentially. So it tries to not do this. Or it tries to not do this. So like if I do pixel perfect, then I make a curve. You see how there's two pixels together? Pixel perfect only places one pixel. And the only other pixel that can be next to it is one connection, not two. Oh my god, this is so cringe. I don't like your attitude, brother. I do not like your attitude. Think of it as a vertical wave going downwards. Yeah, I know, but if the wave is going downwards, then this extends. So then it's like that. No. So then it's like that. But that might be a bit too much. I can alternate between the two, but I don't know how. Yeah, but that is the placement polynose map. Seems good. Probably draw a straight flag and apply a vertex shader to it. Easy. Guys, that would be even more 5-at, okay? I never clicked it. Super helpful, thanks. Yeah, it's helpful. It's very helpful. It's 3 lines of code. Bro, it's fine. It's gonna look good like this. In most cases, pixel perfect is the correct way to create an outline. Naja, I feel like it's almost there. Huh? I don't know. Let's just keep going, guys. What about this? Okay, now I'm just gonna keep drawing lines until it rotates, until it alternates, and then we are done, guys. Okay, let's see. I don't think it works. You could wiggle it. Brute force starts always works. Yeah, Strut. Guys, I think I have an idea. I have an idea. Listen, I tried, okay? I tried. Okay? That looks bad. It's fine. There it is. There's the line. Okay. We're just going to copy this line, guys. Eh? Eh? Whatever. What the fuck? That's a problem. Shit. Why is it gonna be so big? Wait, so it's 512 by 512. Is this actually a pixel? No. So we need to make the image smaller by half. I wonder if that works. Can I change the sprite size to 256? And it's still perfectly... Yes. There we go. Okay. Now all we're gonna do is rotate this down and make this bigger. Okay. There we go, guys. If you can't do it yourself, someone else is gonna do it for you. There you go. Perfect. And we're going to only take that line. Okay, so... And wait. We're gonna put this on the first image. Okay, so that's the first. Next. Paste. Listen, guys, okay, I tried. Didn't work. It is how it is. By the way, why is there... Hey, why is this not... What the fuck? You see this? What the... Huh? Okay, fine. We're doing it like this. Since Sprite is obviously trying to fuck me in the ass, we're going to do it like this. We're going to keep the rotation because Sprite is an asshole. We're just moving it here like that. And then we're going to just rotate. Oops. Please tell me it works. I wonder how many frames that is. How many do we have left? I think that's too many frames. I wonder if it's already repeating. I think it's already... Wait. It's already repeating, isn't it? How many frames do we have? Aha. So there is... Shit. Which one did I start on? So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and we have 9, and then we need 10 and 11. 10. Okay, so we need one more. Very nice. Now that we have this, what we do is edit, no, sprite, rotate canvas, 90 clockwise. There you go. Now we have this, and all we need to do is get rid of the other colors. If you can't do it yourself, guys, just have someone else do it. Like, listen, I could have been sitting here for 10 days trying to do a stupid flagpole for the game. Now we have this line animated, and to give it a better... Shift N, give it a better background. Put that here. Cool. This is what it looks like now. And I think I want to cut the line like here. Or what I want to do is just cut the line at this point. Cakez, once made this tool for another pixel artist. What is this? See you tomorrow, guys. See you tomorrow. Why do I even try, you know? That's the big question. Why at this point should I even try? Man. What a surprise. The dude who uploads other people's videos on YouTube also copy pastes art. Shut the fuck up, asshole. You broke him. So what should I do now? Can I use this tool really super cool? Can I make a flag? And use your tool to animate my flag? Cakes. And with super cool solution it works with any flag. Yeah, I know. Can I load in my picture? The tool is dog shit to use, but yes. $50 flag engine fees. Shut the fuck up. Hello there. Thank you so much for the raid, Togglebit. Well, oh, the flag is... Oh my god. That's so crazy. Flag tool executable. Well, can you like tell me like from which planet did you originally come from, Mr. Real Super Cool? Like which planet? There must be a planet for crazy, insane brain power programmers or something. Uranus. So basically the Earth before Earth happened, right? He was living with other humans on Uranus. No, actually that's not Uranus, it's Saturn. Saturn is the one that's closer to the sun. I got that wrong. No, I thought we were talking about Saturn. Before Saturn became... Yeah, like guys, don't you know how that works? Before we came to be humans on Earth, we were humans on Saturn. No, wait, was it Saturn though? Wait, which one is the one that's closer to the sun? Oh, Mr. Dev Spudges, thank you very much for the raid.
Options menu.
Pluto? No, Pluto's away. Mercury? Okay, wait.
The main menu. I want to make it so that the options menu is now a drop-down menu, or not a drop-down, but like a pop-up. No, it's not a pop-up, but it's like a fuck.
Ah. Oh, it's Venus. Oh wait, I'm stupid. Yes, it's Venus. We're talking about Venus. Yeah. So basically, people have been living on Venus before they started living on Earth. No matter what is what, it's always in Uranus, not on, in, because it's a gas giant. Is that what you're saying? He first had to climb from his planet using a pogo stick. Yeah, exactly, who am I? You got that right, sir. Yeah, well, good morning, you guys. Mr. Real Super Cool, can I use your program? It doesn't have anything wrong in it, right? There's no... Can I actually use it? Can you link it to me or something? Please? Give me a minute or two. Okay. So basically, what we are currently doing here... It's ridiculous. Where's this? I want to make a guy that like this. That has a banner. And that banner buffs my units around him for a period of time. Really cool buffs, essentially. Or like permanent banner placement. Depends, right? How I'm gonna do it. We'll have to see. And obviously, for that, we need to animate the banner. We need a banner dude. And I've been trying to make a banner for the last, I don't know how long, actually 30 minutes or something. And Real Super Cool is like, yeah, by the way, I made a tool a long time ago where you can just animate any pixel art banner. And I could use these frames. I could literally copy paste them. And then fix the pixels and be done. It's crazy. Press enter to export. Wait, you can even export? So I don't even need to copy them. I can just export it. That's insane. So yeah, okay, fine. If we have this, then wow. It might be a bit big though. You'll spend 6 hours testing some new software. No. Export is PNG pork. Yeah, I think it's PNG. And then we can just upload that into a sprite. Never too big. No, like in terms of sprite size. It needs to be like a very small. Like maybe like this. Hopefully I can use a smaller texture. Hopefully. But okay, we're going to still try to draw one. Why the hell is export a slider? Well, he said it's not the best tool to use, you know. Yeah, I think this is too violent. Alright guys, let's just draw another line here to the left. Maybe this time it will work. It needs to be 16 by 16 kinda, so... wait, we are drawing in the background layer. I don't want that. Maybe that's something like this. Let's get rid of pixel perfect. Why is it not showing this? Shouldn't it show... Hey? Hey, what? Oh, because of the background it doesn't show this? That's bad. Then... Happy birthday? It's not my birthday, bro. Send? Oh, really? Thank you. Let's see here. So this is real super cool's tool. Okay, we're gonna download the virus now. He has now access to my computer. Cool. Please don't destroy my computer, okay? Mr. Real Super Cool. There we go. Flag Maker Cakez. Thank you very much. Spieleentwickler. We're gonna put it here. This is the... Wait a minute. Wait, really? Did you put this? Is that what you just did? Is that what you just did, bro? Like, this is why you needed some more time to add in the icon for the executable? Okay, so how does this work? Can I use any other flag? Aha. So it asks me for a flag. The dimensions, do they have to be the same? Because that's obviously too big. Okay, guys, we're gonna quickly draw one then. Let's do 16 by 16. I want this to be the flag. Let's see here. Any dimensions, but top 3 pixels are static mostly. Yeah, that's what I like. Good. Okay, now we just need some inspiration here, you know. What do we get as inspiration? Maybe this? That looks nice, yeah. Let's put that right next to it. Don't need that anymore. Don't save. Alright. So we're gonna do top 3 pixels, he says. Okay. Good. Actually, I wanted to do a new one, right? That's this one here. Here we go. So that's the original flag. I just want to copy how it looks. I like it. Okay, we are... I don't know what about the color. Maybe blue. So this is essentially what it looks like, right? We have... top 3 pixels is what he says. So something like that. And then we need a pole. Put a pole here. Yeah, I think that works. Top 3 pixels are static. I feel like that's a bit too large, but we're going to fix that in a second. What I mean by that is we're going to make this closer to each other. Damn, that's such a great tool, man. Why did you have to make this for your first ever game? Or what did you do that for? Such a great tool, bro. Never give up, never surrender, just preserve. I made it for Hello Comics, the game dev streamer who struggled implementing hand painting animated flags. Ha! Ha! You need a dead orange on the flag? So no, I want to have an already existing icon on the flag. This one here. Please tell me that will look... Shit! Fuck. It's too big! Okay. And we also have the problem that I can't put it in the middle here. So we're going to extend that to 20 pixels. Then just make that flag longer. Such a great tool, bro. Really. Really good tool. The reason why this needs to be... Well, I might be able to just get away with making this one bigger here in the middle. It might look weird. But we could potentially do this. And it might still look okay. Cool. You haven't even used it yet? Yeah, I know. But I think it will be great. Alright, it's gonna be 24 pixels. It's quite large. We'll have to see. The flag looks like ass cakes. Shut your fucking mouth. It does not look like ass, okay? I think it looks really good. And I feel like you're just jealous. Alright. I get the impression that you're just a jealous dude. Shit. Maybe? Yeah. Guys, I think this is good. Flag is not thick enough for the side shadow. No, I think it's okay. I think that's fine. Alright, a flag. A banner flag. Let's test it. I just want to test it, you know, guys? That's the most important thing. Alright, now, whenever I open the flag maker, it's asking me to select one of these. So we go over here to Assets, A Sprite, and we need to find... Oh, there it is. Banner flag. Oh, shit. It's fine, though. Okay, so now I need your help. You might need some empty space. Yeah, so, yeah, it looks like that. But we can also make it just rotate a bit less. Now, frames on export. Okay. Influence. I don't know what that does. Ignore the word, the whole vertical movement section. Okay, we're just going to ignore that. How does that work? YFAC. What is YFAC? Ah, oh, wow. Damn, that's cool. Guys, what do you think? 8? And then amount. Maybe that's less, right? That's so cool, man. I think that's too much, though. Damn. That's so cool. Yeah, guys, so imagine doing this. Ah, oh, that's so awesome. Max everything out. Bro, this is literally what you did in your only good devlog. The one with fire. It is literally the same thing. I feel like you're kind of negative, Mr. Inukai. It's not the only devlog that was good. You know? No, I'm fine today. I'm not gonna time you out. Increase the exponent makes the top part more static. Increasing the exponent. You piece of shit! How did you do that? I disabled song requests. Or I enabled it. I enabled song requests. Oh no. I didn't? Who was that? Aha, we have another one. The Malo Ver Clock. This guy right here. 2 messages in chat. Actually 2 messages. Hi, I'm new here. I've been following your tutorials for a year now. I have learned a lot. Your videos are very entertaining and informational. Thank you.
Gotcha, bitch.
I've made this tower defense game from all that you have taught me.
Am I so
Would you
out of
mind
touch?
checking it out? Pepo love.
No.
Since
Mr.
I didn't
O'Malley
check
is
out
gifting one
Obesity
sub to the
Simulator.
community.
Wait, this guy is linking Obesity Simulator. And then he's linking, song requesting a song that Shade11 always requests. And Shade11 also made Obesity Simulator. The account was created, okay, quite a long time ago. I have a feeling that this is Shade11. Maybe a friend? It's older than me, bro. The account is older than me? The account is older than me. I think I'm gonna give you a timeout, bro. Cause I feel like it was you. What did he say? Did he say anything to... He never said anything. Detective Cakes, yeah, he has a sub. Doesn't matter. Why timeout? It's not his money, it's your money. No, Shade11. It was you. I know exactly, it was you. Where is this exponent? Influence exponent. No, vertical. Influence exponent. Let's see, 1. Are you sure this works? What are you doing right now, Cakes? We are trying to animate a flag for a flagpole in the game. Maybe it doesn't work, Mr. Super Cool, but it's fine. Press enter to export. Does that mean it exported it right now, or what happened? No, you don't know? Let's see how many frames this is. That's bad. God, I love this guy. This guy is so fucking incredibly smart. It's insane. I just cannot believe how smart this guy is. Check the source folder. The source folder. So essentially where I put the original asset. Or where the original asset was. So here. And then the flagpole. We have the banner flag here. Oh! It just works. I see. It just works. Huh. Damn. That's crazy. I don't know, man. I feel like you're so smart, bro. It's crazy. Damn. Thank you very much. Now I have too many things open. I cannot find Sprite. I can't find Sprite. Let's close all of these things here. Discord, maybe close Discord too. Pixel art animation, yeah, get rid of that too, it's too much. Where is Sprite? Ah, okay, so all I do is just put it in here and then... do you want to load the following files as an animation? Yes. Guys, this is the animation. And now all we need to do, since this is animated, is fix the pixels. So for example here, this pixel could be a bit fucked up, and then over here, that looks good. Man, this is so good. This is crazy. Yeah, that looks okay to me. What the fuck? Mm-hmm. Yeah. Yeah, it has the same... Hey? Has the same image twice? Am I stupid? I don't know what I did. Don't save. I think I did something wrong. Let's try this again. One and two are the same image. So we get rid of that. 2 and 3 and 4 are the same image. Okay, so it's kind of 4 images. Wait a minute. I'm gonna try something. I'm going to get rid of these images. And then I think 5 images was great. Then I can just press enter. Yeah, and then it gives me frame 0 to 4. Don't save. And we're gonna put that in here. Agree. Let's see if this gives me different images. No, it still generates the same image twice here. So it looks like it can only generate 4 images in this case. So maybe... Yeah, it's fine. Because it still looks good. Whatever, right? Let's just fix some of these pixels here that look off. That looks good. That looks okay too. Yeah, I think that's it already. Cool. Now I want to save this. Do you want to... No, wait. Cancel. File. Save as. And then I want to save that as banner.asprite. Or what is called it? Banner flag.azprite. Overwrite that. No. Banner flag animated. Then dot azprite. Essentially asprite files. We have an asprite file and then we can export that as well as a file. And then over here in the texture atlas, we can, excuse me, file, open recent, and then open up the banner flag animated. Thank you, Real Super Cool. Thank you so much for this. This is awesome. And what I can do now, actually I can do this here. We can extend this now. 32 is the size of my units. And I want to extend this to maybe 48. And then, yeah, maybe on top here, like 2 or 3 pixels. Let's try 52. Actually, maybe 64. Nah, let's do 48. And now all we need to do is... Actually, that should be behind. So Shift N, new layer, and put that below. And then this is where I want to draw an image or like whatever that's thing. Okay, let's see. Guys, what do you think? Should we make this too thick? 2 pixels thick? What do you think? Rate this from 1 to 10. How much? No problem, bro, but read my last 2 messages. Cakes, if you export it, let's say 6 frames first, then 4 frames, the old 4 frames, and 4 and 5 will remain. 6.9, good stuff. 3, Cakes, at least 2 pixels thick. If not, it's flatter than my humor. Okay. Fine. We're making it 2 pixels thick then. Oh yeah, that looks so fucking good. Damn. Thank you so much for this, real super cool. Without you, I wouldn't have been able to build this. Also, let's load palette. Color palettes. Various color palette. There we go. Then I think we have this here, yeah. The program would work on, let's say, banana pics as well, right? I guess. Banana pics, that's very specific. By the way, the tool overrides any files with the same name, frame xpng, without questioning, so be aware, Cakes. Oh, I see. Good to know that. Looks like VSync tier. Yeah, it kind of does look like that, but I think it looks really good. Okay. Huh? Can I, like, B? Okay. Okay, let's not spend too much time on this, because ultimately we also have to be done. Nah. Keep it simple. Keep it simple and we're done. There we go. Okay, guys. That is our animated flagpole now. Cool. We can add that in to the game. Is that? Flagpole animation. Banner. Where's that? Banner flag animated. Cool. Oh my. Thank you, man. This is so cool. Bro, Cakes can draw at this level, you probably can with practice. If Cakes can draw at this level, you probably can with practice too. Yes. Read Mr. Almeida's message. Can you duplicate the first frame again? I think it's there for a reason. You think this frame being here twice makes it so that the flag is not violently shaking? Yeah. So we do.
Gotcha, bitch.
And I think 3 and 4 or something were animated as well. I just tested it with the smiley flag and 8 frames and I didn't get any duplicates. It's fine. It's okay. We'll keep 4 flags. Below average cat on YouTube. The game is not anywhere available at the moment. I'm currently working on a demo version. So you have to wait a little bit longer. But by the end of the year, I want to update my demo version on Steam. And then I will advertise it. But I do with 5 frames. Seems like a bug. No, maybe it's just generating the same frame twice. Well, maybe it's a bug, but it's still like immensely useful. I don't really mind. I have 4 frames nowadays. They look awesome. And I'm super happy. Like, without you, Real Super Cool, I would still struggle right now. I would literally be struggling right now. So, thank you so much. Awesome. Thank you, man.
Gotcha, bitch.
You could use this for capes as well. Yeah, there's so many things you could use this on. We're gonna put it here maybe, or wait. I think, where's the ice thing? I think the ice ones here are this size. So we can put it here. They fit. Thank you, man. Speed up the development by 5. It's not gonna be 5 days, bro. And by the way, let me quickly shout you guys out. GM Tarek and Master Yak and
for the guy on YouTube,
Goals. Thank you very much for following.
Soon with a pinch of tons of salt. I am waiting for 2 years for a demo update. You can do it, Cakez. I believe in you somehow.
Thank you. Yes, I can do it. So let's add the flagpole in, and this is where we are going to add, instead of taunt. This is what taunt is, by the way. Taunt does nothing at the moment. What taunt could do, but that makes it overpowered. Enemies taunted by you slowly walk towards the taunted guy, aka like a stun, but where they walk towards you very slowly. That's what taunt could be. But then I probably want taunt to be a global ability because it's really strong at that point. And maybe taunt could also give like a debuff in terms of damage and stuff. But we're gonna keep taunt in the game for now. What I want to add now is this flag. So as a skill in the game. So here. That here, and then let's figure out a way to make this small enough so that it fits. Maybe I'm just gonna put it here. Like, maybe I literally just copy that part and put it in here. Yeah. I think I can just copy this part. Yeah, I think I can just do that. Give it a cool outline. I don't know, what would be a cool outline? White? Yellow? Green? Let's test. What about green? I think green works. What do you guys think? That's it. And maybe a different background color for the flag to bring out the green more. Cakes, did you analyze how much effort will go into making the banner work? Did you just start on it on a whim? I know what I want to do. It's not really that much of a problem, I think. What does this spell do? It will be a banner that creates an area of buff, like a buff area. Like when you're inside the banner, you deal more damage. Something like very, very simple in the beginning. And we're gonna do different things with this later on. I'm just trying to find a cool background that creates some good contrast. Shit. Let's just do this. This is damage. There we go. Let's not spend too much time on this. And maybe we can do something cool here. Where we do a Shift G gradient. With this. How did that work? What the fuck? What the f... Oh, I see. Needs to be in a new layer, I guess. Maybe that doesn't even work, though. Nah, maybe this is bad, right? What do you guys think? I like it. Looks sick. You like it, guys? Yeah. I mean... I think it's hard to know from the picture what it is. I know. I don't like it. We keep it like this for now. Guys, doesn't matter. Let's just move on. We're gonna do that later. If it doesn't need to be perfect. Okay, let's go into the assets. Let's see. Where do we put the sprite? Let's see. Sprite icon ability. Sprite icon ability. What do we call that? War banner? And then the war banner is on position 0. And 716. Now that we have the war banner in the game, we also need to get the actual war banner. Sprite. Where do we get that? Heroes, swords, weapons, maces, mission previews, tutorials, UI sprites, effects maybe? Or maybe just sprite. Nah, I mean it's an animated... Now, by the way, what did you say? For the guy on YouTube, please take the I will update the demo soon with a pinch of salt. I'm waiting for 2 years for an update for the demo. You can do it, Cakez. I believe in you. You do realize that I had an entire OpenGL rework in there, you know? Okay. So, sprite. War banner. So this is 16 by 48. And then where is this? Oh, it also has a pivot offset, of course. Okay, let's see. Where is the banner again? Here. That is a 1136. And 1 month 11360. Wait, what? 1360, okay. Pivot offset, we have 4 frames. And pivot offset is minus, let's say 20. And then we'll go by that. Now that we have those 2 assets in the game, I would like to just, in update game, I would like to just draw this for now and just see how that looks. Unlocked rendering, debug testing, there we go. Draw animated sprites. Sprite. War banner. On the input. Mouse position world. By the time. And loop duration is, all of that is fine. So let me see here. Float time is game state real time. There you go. And there needs to be a pointer. Cool. This is what it looks like in the game, guys. Damn! It's actually good!
Skip the excuses.
I was reworking this and that.
I spitted facts, but it's okay. I know you take your time to give us something that we can have fun with. And I love these clown streams. So win, I guess.
Without Super Cool, Cakez would probably still be working on his map scrolling. Anyways, so now what I want to do here is I want to create this as an ability in the game and then animate that. And I have a cool idea on how to do that. Though the big problem is so here's the problem. Okay? Watch this. Oh yeah. This is rotating the objects. It's rotating it around the center. I feel like I need to rotate it around the pivot point. What do you guys think? It's better if I rotate it around the pivot point, right? Why the fuck rotate? So what I want to, I mean, I kind of want to do this. No. Make it really fast. You know what I mean? Like times 10 or something? Maybe like 100 or something? I don't know. No, so guys, the reason why is because I want to do this. Okay? I'll show you. if this is the flagpole, okay? What I want to do here is whenever I activate this ability, I want the tangerine to, like, let's say this is my weapon. I have my weapon in my hand right now. Or like, let's say this is a club. Like, ooh, 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 right? So that's my club. And when I activate the weapon, the ability, the weapon disappears. And I have the flag in my hand. And I want to do this. Yeet. Poof. Okay? To place it. Animate it. That's why I want to rotate the flag. Because that's where I want to rotate the flag around. If that makes sense. You get it? That's what I mean. And so that's why I'm thinking, how can I do this? Bro, when will your game reach GTA 6 level? Is flag a temporary buff? Maybe placing flags a bit too APM intensive? No, like you don't do anything. The units do it themselves. And bonk my chonk. Hello there, sir. What's going on? Wait, without super cupcakes? Actually, I already read that. Hello, Celsius Seashore. Sure. Where can I pirate this game? Nowhere at the moment. So I don't think I can even... I can't even, like, rotate this around something. To be honest, I can only rotate this. I have an idea. I have an idea. I'm gonna animate this myself using pixel art. So essentially... Ah, shit. Of course it breaks it like that. Nah, that sucks. Now we're gonna do this programming wise. Let's just program it and see if it looks good. Should be an easy thing to do. We need to have a time that, let's see, float time is f mod f. I want to make that by f mod that by 2.0. And then divide that by 2. Then we have time. And in 1 second we should make... Oh yeah, and then over here we put the time in. For the angle. That should make it slower. And then let's do a const float duration. Set that to 3. And then we do duration. Duration. There we go. Rotate and move at the same time. Yeah, that's what we're gonna do. Okay. And if we do that, do 30 now. Okay, so what am I doing here? Not sure, like, duration? I take the real time. Ah, there it is. So over 30 seconds, it's going to make this half spin. It's going to angle this. So now, float. Rotation angle. Let's do pi divided by 8. Okay, and then const float lift up is... So what do I want this to go... so I want this type of curve. Let's make some curves here. Where's paint? I don't have it open. Okay. By the way, let's close this. So essentially what I want to do is have like, if this is a curve, right? And this is 1 second, or is this, if this is a graph, I kind of want to lift it up and then place it down again. But the curve should be like, I lift it up fast, like this, boom. That's essentially what I want. This type of curve. How can I do this? We have a time. Time is in 0 to 1. How can I do a lift up like this? From 0 to 1. Does anyone in chat know a function sin x times pi? That's sin x, what you're saying.
Gotcha, bitch.
Okay, and then we need to put that plus the vector 2, 0, and lift up. Oh, my man, thank you very much for following. Il Malik. Good morning, bro. Alright, let's see how that looks in the game. Obviously, the duration is too slow. Let's do 1 second. And then, obviously, the lift up needs to be multiplied by 10. And then maybe make that a bit slower, so that we can tell what's going on. It goes down. So maybe it needs to be cosine. It only does a... Let's not do the rotation, right? It stops in the air. It should go up and then down. Huh? Ah, I see. Okay, so that's probably wrong. Let's see. It goes up and stops. So, because you're cosine, gotta use sine. I thought sine didn't work. Let's see. We're gonna try sine. Minus sine if we want to make it go up. Ah, okay. Thank you. Yeah, of course. I mean... Yeah, lift up. Okay, and now I want to rotate it. Maybe to minus. And then multiply that by time. Or maybe by 1 minus time. Think. Looks like a pogo stick. Okay, and then instead of minus pi, we're gonna do pi. Okay, now we just need to move it forward. Let's see. Okay, so that needs to be minus. Damn, I like this. And this is where we change the rotation angle from 8 to 4. Hello, Christ. Long time no see. How's it going, my brother? And then this is where I want to start earlier. So we do pi divided by 2 plus time times pi divided by 2. Maybe that. I want to start...
Gotcha, bitch.
Oh, wow. Almost. Let's see this in 1 second. And guys, take a look at this. So what we can do here is, instead of time, we can now use easing functions. So we want this to lift up faster, right? So for example, ease out quad from time. Watch this. Now the lift up is a bit faster. But then this probably should also be for the rotation. Or, instead of doing that directly, we can do time is ease out quad time. Or, I think it's called ease in out. Ease in quad. Let's try ease in quad. What is ease out back?
Gotcha, bitch.
What do you guys think? Ease out back? Boom. Maybe ease out expo, or maybe elastic. Let's try elastic. Yeah, I like it. I don't think that works. You know, I don't think that works. And then we just make the duration 2.7 or something. Okay, guys, give me a second. My wife is here. It's already 4 hours, damn it. Okay, this is what we're gonna do. Ketem Codes and Level Lord, or LV Lord, thank you guys for following. So this is what we're gonna do. Now that we have the time here, how it works. Cakes, lift up should be slow, put down should be fast. But the lift up is the put down. The lift up is the put down, essentially.
Gotcha, bitch.
You know? Thank you very much for following, Fezin. So essentially, now that we have this, we can generate an ability. Oops. Ability underscore at the very bottom. ability war banner. Over here. And then rock smash. Oh, come on. No, game CPP. Rock smash. Put it here. Right below rock smash we put... Oops. Right, let me see. Update weapon. Sting. We need to put another else if here. This is where the code needs to happen. For placing the banner. And then, by the way, that will be the weapon. Instead of the actual weapon. Then hero. Weapon dot. Actually, let's copy that line here. That would be ability war banner. Cool. Cool thing is this already works. So then mark this as B, jump back to A, and then over here we do another case. Now we just need to figure out what the ability should do. First and foremost, let's get another string. String, ability, war banner. Rock, smash. War banner. Oh my god! Sorry. Here we go. And then rock smash description. We also want to have a war banner description. So, and I'm gonna quickly quickly write one. We'll finalize that later. So what does the war banner do? Places down a banner. Places down a banner. Places down a banner for let me see. Places down a banner that strengthens other heroes in the area. Increasing their damage done or damage dealt. And then damage we're going to do yellow or something. And then over here, what do we do? A physical damage plus percentage. Or let's say essentially just damage. It's gonna be percent increased. And then we also want to have AoE, of course. And that's essentially it. Why not using JSON for translations? Maybe I will use JSON in the future. Right now, like, I have it in C++ and I don't have to write a JSON parser for this, but yeah. Something like Elastic without the bounds, but that's the point of Elastic. Why not use JSON now? Because I have something that works and I need to work on the core gameplay loop. The core gameplay loop is the upgrades. And this right here is an upgrade that you can get at level 1 that I want to make it look cool and use, and I want to make it worthwhile to use. And I want the player to be excited for whenever the banner is down so that the units deal more damage. And so listen, currently, I'm just trying to follow the advice of the core gameplay loop of a tower defense game is the upgrades. And that's what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to make... Oh, and also, like, my background is visible. I'm trying to make the upgrades as fun as possible. Do you plan to visually show the radius of the banner influence? Yes, I will show the radius of the banner influence. You are right on that. Exactly. Okay, so now that we have war banner, we can use ability string war banner. String icon war banner. It's an ability type helpful. It's a buff, I guess. Target type, ability, target type self. And target priority, there's no priority on this. Can the bottom part be removed while placing? I will probably create a different sprite then, yeah.
Gotcha, bitch.
I will remove the, that's a good idea. But okay, so cooldown on this. I think I'm gonna do 30 or 20 seconds. There's no knockback, there's no range, but we have a const float AoE, which I would say is 32. Then physical damage. Let's say it gives everyone in the radius 20% plus 2 per level. Which is not that much, but maybe 5 per level. I hate the break in the stick. It is how it is, you know. I think you're gonna get used to it. AoE, let's see, stat AoE. And then stat damage. Damage multiplier. Let me see. It takes a base and only increased. Okay. So essentially, damage multiplier is the physical. So it's basically just damage. There you go. Cool. Then physical damage doesn't exist. Cooldown, AoE. Okay. Then we do damage. Damage next level. AoE. And no range. Okay, now that the description is done and the ability exists, we go to... Hello. Oh. Create ability of type. No, actually to activate ability. I think it needs to place... So I need to have something active, like a list. It needs to be like some sort of... Maybe a buff on yourself? Or something? I like your mom, by the way. Oh, really? You like my mom? That's awesome to hear, bro. Thank you. Really cool. Player will get used to crab. Okay. Okay, so... I have a small problem. I think. I mean, I could put a buff on myself and then just always draw that banner. Or just have a list of banners or something. Or just an effect that stays there for a long time. I have an idea. I'm just gonna create an effect. That's fine. Okay, let's see. Let me think. Yeah. Update weapon. War banner. Alright, so the duration is something that we get from time here, in this case. You know what? I'm gonna keep the original one. And then just change... I'm gonna keep the original below. So duration is not something we need. Time, oops, time is something we get from... the swing progress. And then we already have everything we need. And then all we need to do here is say, okay, well, the hero.weapon_data.sprite_id, that is the sprite war banner. And then the hero.weapon_data.position, weapon position, is this. So in this case, the important part is the lift up here. X move and lift up. And then we need to have like a point where we want to put that, essentially. And that will be... let's just do direction right. Hero.position origin plus direction, let's do direction left. Times, I don't know, 5? Plus that vector. So essentially this. That is the position of the weapon. And now we need the angle. Hero.weapon_data.weapon angle. That is the rotation angle. I think that's it. Now we need to get an actual sprite, right? So we need a war banner. How do we call this? When you have the war banner in your hand. So essentially, I'm now taking this sprite here, generating an extra frame for this, and then I just put a hand on top of that. Like, for example, this hand, maybe. One that looks good. Maybe that. I like that a lot here. This grip is nice. You know, let's put that on the banner. Gripping. So we are gripping the banner right now. Here. What do you guys think? I think it looks good. Okay, let's add that in. War banner gripped. Gripping. Or gripped. Grabbed. We have the war banner grabbed. Oops, that's the wrong one here. Groped. We have the groped war banner, guys. It's going to press charges soon. And that is 1200. Cool. And then over here in the game, we do gripped. Let's see. And then obviously, when our time is greater or equals to 1. That's kind of rude, you know? It's actually kind of rude, you know? target data. Ability intervene, let's do that. What? Yeah. Here we go, target data. Hero target ID. Target components is component hero. Is this called? Location is hero target location. That would be the weapon position. Hero the weapon data dot weapon position. And the attack direction there. Why is this complaining? Activator target data. Both of them are... We activate the ability. Ah, I see. So we have to first get the ability, do we? Okay. And then in activate ability, we don't have that in here yet, but we're going to generate a new case for the war banner. What I want to do is, when this is activated, can hero be placed? If it can, I want to spawn a hero, and I also want to do smoke particles for now, the same thing. Maybe not the same sound, but we can do the sound for now. So first I want to do smoke particles. And the position on that would be target data dot target or dot location, I think. Right? Target data dot location. And then emit particles. I don't know why this complains here. I see emit particles doesn't exist yet. It's further down below. What is up here? Okay, so emit particles needs to be above activate ability. That's fine. Where is it? Oh, that's annoying. Here. No. Okay, let's just do this. Ability. War banner. There you go. So we do smoke particles and then we just create an effect. The banner effect. But we also need to generate something else. So that, you know, units know that they are already inside of a banner. So I'll have to see how I'm gonna do that. But for now... Okay. Let's see, what do we need? The effect type. Yeah, target ID. No target ID. Sprite ID. Is sprite war banner. Material doesn't need anything. Center is target data dot location. Size, velocity, animation index, timer, duration. Is ability duration. Layer. That is calculate layer. Layer game. Then taking the target data dot location dot y coordinate. There we go. Angle, no angle, keep alive duration, nothing, bloom strength, rendering options, nothing. Okay, now that we have the banner effect, I also would like to add in a circle effect, which is sprite white. And I think we can do this best with taunt. We did that yesterday. There we go. We just need to generate this. How did I do this? So we have the position, previous position, how long that effect will last. Yeah, the size. Yeah, dot size. This one is gonna be AoE radius, I think. Yeah. Times 2. AoE radius times 2. Duration. Loop duration. Layer would be layer game. But it's behind everything. And then we need the rendering options. And these are not called render options, but options. Okay. Whew, that was a lot. Guys, do you think this will work for the first time? Hello again. Hello, Yova. Hope you're doing good, bro. Welcome. We basically speed ran this, of course. We have a new ability in the game right now. I think. Wait a minute. Does it actually work already? Oh. Wait a minute. Can I exchange this for the... Oh. Shit. 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 Sprint F fails. Ah, that would have been cool. Why not? Of course. The war banner ability description needs to be used here. I forgot to replace that. Okay, this, but it works now. It will work now, trust me. This is it. Okay, this... Please work, man. Please, that would be so awesome. Almost there. I think we are almost there, yeah? Oh, war banner. Place down a banner that strengthens other heroes in the area, increasing their damage dealt. Increasing the damage dealt, it should be their damage dealt, right? Yeah, game has almost sold 1 million copies. Yeah, not my game. Not my game. Someone else's game. But we have watched a video on that earlier. Was really insightful. All right. Oh, actually, we didn't save that. Guys, War Banner is in the game. Oh, I forgot, of course, the duration. We forgot the duration of the ability. Totally forgot. It should be called base duration. We need to supply that too. Let's see here. Const float duration is... Let's make it last 12 seconds. Plus level times 1. Or yeah, let's do times level times 1 and then level plus 1 times 1 too. And that is duration next level. By the way... Which ability has a duration? A taunt, right? Taunt. Yeah, we also had duration next level. And then we get the effect here. Duration is... I guess we do it before AoE. So we put that here. This. Cool. Yeah, it was really insightful to... Oh yeah, then we need to supply this. Please don't break on me. Okay, cool. Now that we have this in there too, let's select this again. Get the banner, save it. And now we have the banner in the game. Base duration is 14 seconds. For some reason the duration now... The duration here says... Wait a minute. Oh yeah. Of course. Needs to be inverted like this. First base duration. Yeah, so base duration is 14? 13. Yeah, 13 and AoE is 32. Cool. Now, awesome. Let's see. Oh. Ooh. He's already using it. I have a cool idea. Oh, I have such a cool idea. Wait a minute. Not waving in the wind. No, it's not waving because it somehow doesn't create an effect. For some reason. Also, it doesn't have a cooldown. It does have a cooldown. So, activate ability. For some reason. I wonder what happens. Should be... Huh? Huh? Huh?
Gotcha, bitch.
It doesn't go in here. Why? It says the ability can't be activated, maybe? It's not activating the ability. For some reason. Oh, I get it now. I see. That's annoying. Antoine, thank you very much for following, Antoine. I have an idea. I understand what the problem is.
Gotcha, bitch.
War banner. So essentially what I need to do here is... I need to take... how do we do this?
Gotcha, bitch.
We need to take the swing progress. Oh, how do we do that? So essentially... This is what I want to do now. Essentially what's happening, I have like a... Oops. My swing progress goes from 0 to 1 always. And like I never reach this in the loop. I always reach like 0.9 or like 0.8. And so what I want to do in order to activate the ability, I want to activate it earlier at like 0.7. And so what I want to do here is I want to take this part of the 0 to 1 range, and I want to map that into another 0 to 1 range, essentially. Or for the animation here. So like have a const float t that a const float const float a t value, or like a TMP value, which takes the swing progress, which is between 0 and 1, and then just divides that by 0.7, I guess. And then over here we do TMP, and then we can ask if time is greater than 1. We activate the ability. And otherwise, if it's greater than 1, then we activate the ability and we set the weapon data to nothing. And then in activating the ability... Wait a minute. Shit. Yeah, over here. Let's the const TMP is swing progress divided by... No, actually, all we need to do is say if... Wait, no, we do 0.7. Then we do TMP. Then we have the timer. If that's greater than 1, we set the sprite to sprite white. There you go. Maybe that works. And then this will actually happen. Alright, long story short, this will work. Hopefully. Hopefully. Uh-oh. Oh. Okay, I'm excited. Oh! Oh! Fuck! It's activating it again. Shit, it's activating it again, of course. Because now that it's activated... Timer is greater than 1. Wait, activating an ability. Does this shit, right? It puts it on cooldown. So I guess we can ask if timer is greater than 1 and can ability be activated. Value of ability. And the hero. This is bad, but I'm just gonna hack this in. So this, by the way, when you're under time pressure like me... Holy shit! What is this circle? That's so grell! How many did it create? Goodness! Huh? Oh my god. And it's animated very slowly for some reason. Oh yeah, of course. I know why it's so slowly animated. We can fix that. So, let me see. The banner effect. Loop duration is, let's say, like 0.7 or something. Duration is this. And then the circle effect. I don't know, like it's not supposed to like loop or something. It's not supposed to do anything actually, but like for some reason. Thank you very much for following, ET Byte Pixel. Good morning, sir. Oh, I want to be able to do this now. Come on. It is in Ice Wave. Ah, and here I create the lingering cloud. That should work, bro. Maybe that works.
Gotcha, bitch.
Okay, what am I doing different with the clouds than here? We have the position locked down. Maybe the material here. Then we also have the layer, which I think is fine. And then we have those. I think it's just the fact that I use Bloom together with this. Hello guys, I'm coming from YouTube. Oh, yeah, you are. Hello there, real McAfee on YouTube. I like that streaming title, huh? The performance of my Unreal game is beyond anything I've seen. Now I'm here to catch a break. Think about to test OpenGL instead, but too afraid cause then I have to learn so much again. So what you're saying is your Unreal Engine game's performance is really bad and you don't like it? What is the bottleneck? Can you like pinpoint where that comes from? Because I've seen this a lot, you know, whenever I watch you guys post something on Discord, or let's say oftentimes, not always, there is always like the editor feels very laggy, for example. Stuff like that. Huh? Huh? Again? Again. Wait. We're gonna do it like this. Cooldown 2 seconds. Duration 2. And then we can keep using it. I don't understand why the cast time is so slow. Let's see. I wonder how long the swing duration is. Hero.weapon data.swing duration. Is it 1 second? It's 1 second. Huh. Okay. Swing progress is 0.01 and then the TMP value is 0.02, so that's faster. How come 0.7 feels so slow, guys? It's easy to do the misstage and cast to objects on tick. What would be heavy damage on performance in Unreal Engine? The mistake and cast to objects on tick. I've also seen something in Unreal Engine where there are, I think it's called hard and soft references. So let's say you're referencing a player that's on a boat and you just want to have the player, but the player is currently standing on the boat and you make a wrong move with references there, you're not only loading the player into memory, you're also loading the boat into memory because of the way that references are set up by default. And so what you have to do in Unreal Engine is you have to use, I think it's called smart references or something. We're going to get into contact with this when we make our game in Unreal Engine 2. Right? Ultimately, we're going to do that in the future. But yeah, that's essentially what you have to deal with. Sounds like a weak pointer. I don't know, yeah, something like that, right? Cast to boat has the same issues. It loads the whole boat. Are you gonna make that circle an oval? Yeah, I'm gonna make that circle an oval. Okay. Like, for some reason... Is this 0.7? Okay, so maybe then we just do 0.5. Half the time? Point 4? Oops. Let's see here. Weapon data. Hero.weapon data.layer. Weapon layer is behind the hero.layer. Let's do that. No, PP is pointer to pointer. She's wrong. The game looks better every time. Good job, man. Hey, thank you, Save. Thank you. Yeah, I try my best. I try a lot. Today we implemented War Banner. Almost there. Just a bit longer and we are done. I just need to make sure that the size of this AURI radius times ellipse height factor ellipse. There we go. Now we have that circular effect set up properly too. And also for some reason it is not drawing this behind my unit. Okay. Banner. Alright, we can take the hero's position. And it moves it up even. It's lifting it up, right? Then moving it down. I feel like it's a bit too high. But that could be fixed. Let me see here. Weapon layer is behind the hero's layer. So that should be working. Paid comments. Okay, bro. Cakes, are you still live? What the fuck? Fuck. Yeah. 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 I don't know why it's not behind, but we can do this. In assets, we just say instead of -20, we do -30, and then it's just further down. Let's see how that looks. Wait. Hey, why is that in front? Have an idea. Like this. So that's number 1. Wait. How is it still drawing it? Oh yeah. This needs to be outside. Cakes, I want to stream the development of my next project as well. Do you have any tips on how to get people to watch it? Give me a second. Sure. 16. So number one, I would be consistent. That's the most important thing. It's not so much that you... Oh, wow. That's bad. It's not so much that you have to be perfectly on time every time, but you should have like a general idea of... Why is that in front? Why are you drawing this stupid thing in front? Are you stupid? Huh? You dumb? Is there like a weapon layer that happens that is like calculated after this? I get it now. Okay, so it's... I see. Okay, I'm gonna fix that later. I can't be bothered with this right now. But this is what it looks like, guys. This is the flag. And obviously the radius is really small right now, but what do you guys think?